ACT prep was a really positive experience for my child. The tutor was so encouraging. We felt like she had a cheerleader. We felt like she had someone in her corner that was saying, you can do this. You can reach this goal. This school is not out of your reach, because Claire had told her what school she wanted to go to. She had toured a college that said, we like to see the ACT. And so she really only had time to take it once, maybe twice. So we knew, okay, you got to work with somebody from Varsity Tutors. She scored a 30. I feel like working with Varsity Tutors took my daughter's test scores just through the roof and really changed the course of her future, because she is getting accepted to colleges she never even would have applied to. We are huge Varsity Tutors fans around here. We just love it. It's been life changing for us. It's been such an encouragement. I wish that I'd known about them sooner with my other children.